Hey guys, Virgin here, and today I am playing what's it called? Oh yeah, the puzzle map. Oh, are these ever gonna run out of dispensers? Okay, I have to time this just right. Look at all those arrows. It says I may not open dispensers, but I want to see how many arrows there are. Oh my gosh. Either I have to cheat, or I'm not going to cheat, the promise I made. Remember the walrus. Oh, there's a chest down here. Oh, 2 emeralds. Sweet. Anything else? No? Okay. I have to figure this out. It's gonna be hard. Ow. I don't need a punch. Okay. 1, 2. I didn't even notice. Oh, that's gonna shoot. Yes, I got it. Finally. Okay. Okay, I need to heal. Nom 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 nom. Yummy. Okay, so I have the lever. Pew, 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 pew. Okay. 1. Oh, that was a fail. Sorry about that, guys. That was a fail. Oh, ow. What shot? Dang it. Why did I even jump? Okay. Okay, that was an automatic fail. I don't even know why I did that. Ow. Okay, I was gonna put game mode on. Come on! I have that. Come on. Come on. Okay, this is gonna take a while. Yes. Am I gonna do it? Come on. Do I have... What if I break that? Can I break that? Is that a rope? No? Okay. Thank you. And got the lever there to open. Thank you. Sorry guys. I don't even know. It's gonna take a while. Okay. Yes! Stop arrows for a fight. Okay, now where I'm going. This looks like Herobrine. I'm scared. Stage 7, Maze of Doom. Oh, poop. Get rid of trash and wanted now. Oh, that's very useful. Because I don't need all this stupid junk. Okay, I'll need that. I don't know if I need that, but I definitely need that. I need these. I don't know if I need this. Okay, I'm good. The maze begins here. Okay, I might want to eat some apples. Guys, I'm super scared. I feel like something's gonna jump at me. I feel so scared. I feel like you have to go this way. And that's dead. I don't know. I feel like any second something's gonna jump at me. Okay, okay, what the heck? I feel like there's something here we need. We don't need, like, some clay or something. No? Okay. Come on, dead end? I wish you would get some torches. Maybe if I know I'm not supposed to break blocks, but... Oh. What? What did it give me? What did it give me? I think it gave me an emerald. Oh yeah, it did. Here's my torch. I need shades so I can light my way through this. What about here? No, that was the dead end I went to. Can I bring pumpkins? No, I can't. Okay, I mean, shades would be useful in this. Okay, here's this. So if I go this way, go here, no. Okay, I wish I had a hand. Ooh, what's this? Sweet, bananas. What if I go this way? I haven't gone this way. I believe we went through here. It's confusing. Wait a second. I wish I didn't have blinded. Jackpot. I don't know why we need leather. Let's block by these two, man. Okay. Okay, that leads this way. If I go this way... It's called Maze of Doom. I'm seriously feel like something's gonna jump at me. Scary feeling. 3, 2, 1. Back at beginning. I don't know why they call it Maze of Doom, because I want to scream my head off. If I remove that does nothing. Whatever. I don't know what TYVM means, but milk. Got milk. So. So this is a bunch of milk and emeralds. I feel like I'm gonna need this for future. Stage 7, pig tossing. 4 more pigs warning, you only use 1 time. Ugh. Pig tossing. No! Pig tossing. Ah. Okay, more pigs on these. Hold this down. There. Fairy pig, front and center. Is there more fish? That was just broke. Okay, we'll get 2 of these. Why? I want this work. Okay, calling all pig, calling all pig. Okay, that pig wants to come up. Okay, I think I have an idea. I think this is broken. Please work, please work, please work. Come, you dumb pig. Come. Gotcha. I need you. I need your bacon. Come on. Yes, finally! Stage 7, search and destroy. Find all 3 levers. Stage G, scavenger hunter. Find all 3 levers in times in this snowy biome. Tip homes. Here's a clock. There's a... I am the Riddle Master. I'll give you it. I am a block that's found only in 2 biomes. You can mine with a pickaxe only. I can be found naturally in generated world. I can be crafted using 4x4 crafting grid. Who am I? He's like the Riddler. Rest. Reset above. Codes. Stones, grass, cobstone, plank, bedrock. 2. Okay, let me get my sticky notes out. Okay, I only need 1. Okay, okay. 2, 1, 3, 4. 2, 1, 3, 4. 2, 1, 3, 4. 2, 1, 3, 4. 2, 1, 3, 4. 2, 1, 3, 4. Is that it? Is that it? 2, 1, 3. 2, 1, 3, 4. Oh wait. 2, 1, 3, 4. Is that it? Oh, I get it. 4, 1, 3, 2. 4, 1, 3, 2. 4, 1, 3, 2.